Apa kabar semua? Bonjour, ¿cómo allez-vous? And hola, ¿cómo están ustedes? Selamat pagi kalian semua. I just want to share a quick thought. I know I look funny this morning. I'm about to go to get some sweat going. I just want a quick thought this morning with you. Attempting to erase, delete, ignore history, I think is an absolute foundation to repeat history. I want to pause and let you guys think about that one, okay? Just like anything else apply in our lives. In order for us to understand our current or even, like our present time, we need to learn our history and use it, be able to use it as a reference, but not part of our current situation. It's really not our future lives. Hopefully I get my point across on that one. Okay, it's called life evolution. As we continue evolving, we let go of the past. We remove all of that, right? In our mind, in our action, and focus ourselves to move forward to the future. Similarly, looking at the back mirror while we're driving, even in the, like in the mirror on the side or a mirror in the back, we can't ever see clear what is ahead of us, right? So I want to just point this out. We're all citizens of this planet Earth, 7 continents diverse. And it is, believe it or not, a home for 6 billions of humans. We are the first species capable of self-annihilation, lack of self-awareness. It is extremely likely given enough time. I hope this brings more light for you today. And we're all in this together, guys. All right, take best care of yourself and your loved ones and each other. Let's continue, practice empathy, optimism. Optimism is important, kindness, and for sure, compassion. Compassion. I am challenging you today to do one act of kindness. Just today. Maybe tomorrow I'll ask you again, but share it. Tag someone and comment below here, wherever I post this, YouTube or anywhere on my LinkedIn maybe. Okay guys, terima kasih untuk semua, untuk mendengar dan also untuk melihat saya. Ava, see you soon. Stay safe, stay vigilant. Here's another quote here. I want to just share with you. If you are a victim of your history, you can never be a master of your destiny. Think about that. Live and love fearlessly. Enjoy your Friday.